received countless comments of just unsolicited advice, people telling me to wash my face as if I've never done that before, or the way that people would talk to me, instead of looking at me in my eyes, they would just scan my face and check out all the new breakouts and just make it so obvious that I would just boil down to how I look, not for my brains, not for what I had to say, it was just how I looked. Ironic enough, the way that I kind of overcame all that was to start my blog. The more and more that I uploaded pictures of my face on the internet, and the more positive feedback that I received from other people who were going through the same thing, was what gave me my confidence. Starting my blog and openly talking about my struggles with acne and things that I've faced in hopes that I could help someone out there who was struggling like I was is what kept me going. I feel like people with acne are some of the strongest people out there, because we do receive comments or we're made to feel a certain type of way just because of how we look. At some point you'll just get sick and tired of listening to what other people have to say, and you will just do you regardless. I think whether or not you have acne, that should just be something that people live by, because people are always going to have something to say. If there was one piece of advice that I had to give to younger people out there, is you are way more than your skin. Way, way, way more. Don't let the way that you look affect what you do and what you truly want to achieve in life, because let me tell you, you won't get that far. There's just way more to you than what meets the eye. Respect my skin means embracing every state that my skin is in, because acceptance is the first step on anyone's journey to self-love.